In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goals in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new goal, give it a clear owner, and set a realistic due date so your team has a shared target to work toward. We'll begin right inside Asana's goals area. To kick things off, click the plus new goal button. This is your starting point for defining what you want to achieve. When you click it, Asana opens a goal creation window where you'll add the core details. Think of this as the foundation for alignment. Once the goal exists, everyone can see it, reference it, and rally around it. Next, enter the goal name and assign an owner. The name should be short, specific, and action-oriented, so it's instantly clear what success looks like. For example, instead of a vague label, describe the outcome you want to reach. This helps teammates understand the intent at a glance and reduces confusion later. Right alongside the title, choose an owner. The owner is the person accountable for progress and communication. This doesn't mean they'll do all the work alone, but they are the point of contact who keeps the effort moving, updates status, and ensures the goal doesn't drift. Pick someone with the authority to coordinate tasks and the visibility to report back. If you're unsure who that should be, think about who has the most context and the ability to remove blockers. Finally, set a due date. The due date isn't just a calendar milestone, it creates urgency and helps everyone plan. Choose a date that's ambitious yet achievable, considering dependencies and the team's workload. Many teams like to align goal due dates with the end of a month or quarter, so planning and reporting cycles line up. If your work spans multiple time zones, remember that Asana respects your workspace settings, so set the date with your team's common schedule in mind. When you pick the deadline, imagine what needs to be true a week beforehand to avoid last-minute rushes. That mindset encourages earlier check-ins and smoother delivery. With those three pieces in place, the goal, the owner, and the due date, you've created a clear destination, a driver, and a timeline. From here, your team can organize supporting work, track updates, and adjust as needed, all anchored to this single source of truth. Keep your goal name focused, choose an engaged owner, and set a considered deadline, and you'll set your team up for momentum and measurable progress.